Hello everyone. This video is a walkthrough of my JavaScript project. It's a single page application that uses JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for the front end, as well as a Rails backend API. As you can see right here, it's an app called My Devotional, which is a place where users can create and save daily Bible studies or Bible devotions. As you can see, the page renders a form where users can add their Bible reading for the day, as well as their personal reflection on the scripture that they read. And as you can also see, there's already a couple of devotions that I have added. So for each devotion, it's going to display the name of the devotion, as you can see right here, as well as the verse that I read that day, the date, as well as the category that it falls into. There's also an option to edit the form, as well as to view that particular devotion. So if we were to take a look, for instance, if I open this right here, we can see that it renders the title as well as the date, the category that falls into the verse or chapter that I read that day, as well as my personal reflection on the scripture that I read. Now there's also the option to edit. So let's go ahead and edit one of these. For instance, let's go with this one. Maybe I can make this a bit more descriptive. I'll just add a little more detail. Maybe it's actually the wrong date. So let's go with 13. And let's go ahead and also change the category. Let's put it under personal growth. So if I go ahead and save the changes, we'll notice right here that the page updates with the new information. So it is living by faith and grace, as we can see right here. There's also the verse that is updated, as well as the category that has changed right here. Now I can exit this popover by simply clicking here, close, or just clicking anywhere outside of the box. And as we can see, everything has been successfully updated. And of course, if I were to view it, we can also see all the updated details. I can also go ahead and update the content, which I haven't in this case. Now, if users were to create a new devotion or add a daily devotion, so let's go ahead and see how that will work. So let's go ahead and fill out this form. Let's create a devotion on the most popular verse in the Bible, John 3:16. I'll just make it March 5. And I'll go ahead and add some thoughts on that verse. And let's go ahead and also add an image URL, which I have right here. And choose a category. I'm just going to put it under love. And then we can go ahead and create that devotion, which will reset the form as well as add the devotion right here. And as you can see, if I were to click on it, and sure enough, there's all the details, the category, the verse, as well as the my thoughts on this verse. All right, so that's how users would interact with this single page application, or they can create devotions, save them and view them later on for inspiration, or just additional reflection on the particular verse or scripture that they read. All right, well, that's how the app works. And so thank you for watching. I'll go ahead and stop recording.